Need to get Uber discounts and promo code 2026? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily get the discount and offers on Uber. First thing first, you need to head over to Safari or move into any of the web browser. In the address bar, search for Uber promo code 2026. Click on Allow. Once you're in this page, if you scroll down, tons of different sites will be available to you. Let me head over to this one for now. Click on it. It will land you on this official page. Now from here you can select any of the discount and offers. Scroll down and you'll get to see more. Once you've found the specific one, all you gotta do is click on Get Code right over here. Well, the code will be available to you. You need to copy this code and paste it in the section that you are asked to. And if the promo code is valid to you, then you will be able to get certain amount of discount and offers. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.